Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know some of you guys kinda disappointed of the new smartphones today because they don't have any earphone jack. So do you know guys that we can still use your old earphones like this one? I have this from my Samsung S10 Plus. You can see that it's AKJ. Yeah, this is from my S10 Plus earphone. I really like this one, and both I have my new earbuds, but I'm not using so much this thing. Sometimes I still preferred my old earphone, this one. So you guys, do you have your new phones now? I have here my Samsung S21 Ultra. So how I can use my old earbuds with this thing? So what I'm gonna use is just this kind of adapter. This tiny adapter thing is the Type-C adapter for audio jack. And what you're gonna do is just put this thing on where you're gonna charge your phone, and the end of your earphone, just plug it in, and voila, you can still use your old earphone. So let's try this thing, guys. Gonna open my library here. Hit play. So that's it. You don't have to worry about your old earphone. You can still use this one. Make sure you're gonna buy this thing, this little guy here, the Type-C audio jack. So thanks for watching, and I hope that I help you guys. Bye for now. See you on my next video.